pak mobile pangingi don handi ka song hau kumnu keren. Mobile can be used. Kan mau pilih ini ada. Call him! No problem. Control your own force. I will control mine.
I mean control. Jangan bongkar gitu.
Takun tu. Bila ada depan tu, ngin bos tu. Itu halat. Sentral. Itu halat sentral. Tu asyik manung punya penuh diurah. They can do whatever they want. If you want to arrest me, you can arrest. If you feel that I have violated, saya kita beli kembali kamu jimin. Beli kurang cukup. Bung Tep, Bung Mukul, Bung Nomot Try, Bung Dependan Kampus in Masho. We want to send him a very clear message to Mukul Sama.
Next time even better than this.
This is just a small town that we are dealing with. They can use force. Okay, it's your choice. It's your choice. It's your choice. Nirungi klam le klam akon. Then when you attack a leader, obviously you should expect what will. Take off your mask if you feel that you're doing what is right.
Why
do you mask?
We're not Muslims.
Please, they have nothing. They are just doing their duty.
You are dealing with law abiding. Nyemdai ki bukin mask.
It's a democratic country. We can protest.
Ya Narendra Modi le kya umno diktator. Bau expel beki penrumarang ni apa?
They yok nong lang de mi ikhmat de ai ke mi kiwe. It's very sad kan. Bano begitu ki syak tak ru. Na ying ki Christian kin pek de TV ni yang ta kasong ki. Ban next time la ring ki. Khade kamram juki bekin oi bani simbanta kan.
Kanong utara gi ba mansa.
Ngapat yo jengken. Nandang yo chen yo sibet. Hala sa bom to mangampat nusa.
Kuma PE đây vợ đàn bông PE làm mặt này muốn bắt đăng cái này cái gì đăng bao nhiêu?
Ki police. Bay ba on dan ter ni menu bom menu.
Em long bay đây bu bay ba bu pulit kan.
Pulit kan? Meeting issue penperai ke barricade. We have every right because you want to march there.
Sama ikti kan lo?
Dah ikti kan? Menu bu use force.
Kawan turut ada kan kalimat ke decision.
Forward march. Nyen song bang ni will remain in this street.
Kadba kani keji.
Ke ngamong ba kajay hakum kani kapor ngaso kani kejiujap. Namar kumgino ngalam ni sekren badenta mikian bagindan agari keji. Nagalong nagam ta umba mamdi nagam ta kamarang nagalong ta kajing tay kiyeng kisam keji piton kami kian. Mereka itu melawan sendet kalau bangimla ban pedang. Di yang mentah nilai hun kum gino ngalam ban ngangi thir bun hun. Deinam deina. Kum gino ngalam nilai pedang ban ngangi nama biru bun pedang. Namar kampat kut mentah kesini. Daga jimbam dan lucu benesta nilai lawan simsha yikini gerai. Siap kan puli yakini kadai ketin Norway yang thareng dan dengan sabatai ru agak ketin kejungi. Kini kadai ka karai. Yang kecinglang ba lam dai ba aden am Zaimat Emily Kavalong Mantakasi had Jakatrikam in the office chamber of the Honorable Home Minister in the presence of Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs, Additional Chief Secretary in charge Home, Additional Secretary Chief Secretary in charge Urban Affairs, Shri L. Khaknor MDC Nongtamai, and others. The meeting was chaired by Srimati R. Wajri, Honorable Minister in charge Home Police. Extra who welcome all the members present. She requested Shri Adan M. Saimat Emily to apprise the meeting about the issues related to the implementation of the Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2011. The following were the issues raised by Shri A.M. Saimat Emily. Number 1, to withdraw the notification for some more time before making it applicable to Shillong Master Plan areas for the following reasons. Number 1, more time is required for publicity. 2, low-income group economically weaker sections are facing difficulties in obtaining electricity water connection through line department. Number 2, registered land documents are not available with most of land owners outside the municipal areas. 3, after thorough discussion, the following decisions were taken. Mudilhaban Shimi Garai Marabu Chief Minister Umdan, Yasi Kalong Tanga Jinklu Singapore, Andre Kampatut Kajiki Lava Sorkar Kalekai. Andre Karai Mangala Angasro, Nagalanga Jingi, Kumba Prapo Shispa, Nesing in a Hun, Walading Mun Shispa, Nagashispa. Kabankong, Kalong Balarai, Banpulong, awareness program will be conducted by the Urban Affairs Department in Shillong Master Plan areas outside the municipal jurisdiction. Kandon ka Jingpun Shai, Jingpun Supu Patba, Nagalang ka Urban Affairs Department, I will begin to Jaka Kiva for Shillong Master Plan. I will be about Shabar Jing municipal area. Number 2, registered documents are not insisted upon while submitting the proposal for building permission if not available, especially outside the Shillong municipal areas. Can you everybody go to Kaba, Yong Ba, Hapan I registered, no? Nanung in your registered, you're going to away. But Nangish then come show you a registered document. Nagpapalay for construction of building in an area of 75 square meter and below building fee is exempted. I would say Jishna Giying Kiva New Sun square meter, government Kataka building fee don't come show Banshim. No building permission is required for construction of thatched houses. But then come show the permission Banshim and Ishmat Giying with it. Site plan for construction of building less than 50 square meter area will be prepared by MUDA free of cost. Rather than come and put to MUDA to come and CEA. Special teams will be set up to expedite issue of occupancy certificate for the completed buildings. Modigini berada bro menta kandang ka special team. Kapan kana malaman ayo ya kata certificate kodon kam. 7. The department will take up the matter with PHE and MECL regarding issue of water supply and electricity connection to low-income group building. Ikitu berada bersama kiyeng barai ba apa harus ta Nagalang juki kin khati ke MECL ba PHE ba kinde ban penuit lani bandang bojinge. Kabakatu karai along the department will further examine the proposal and put up the matter before the Chief Minister at the ELS. If I don't know the Jekran Mantan Bo Chief Minister, Bound Ulan Pai, Hakishi CRC, Consider Bank Jekran, but Bangin Nangwara Ikirai Bakamba. Then as you Yamanta here, Mabu Chief Minister, then Kega Jiminjo doing a Thaipian. Then. Kadai to Yepat, Kibamshim Mandagasi. Bagan Smuto, Banshimkia, Bala Dankam Bamibian Saisian, Devon Milo, Poro, Katikish Shaksa. Devon Milo. Yimbe banap, yimbe ban pinian ban yo pamay. Presto mo pamay no. Yan siya, hindi ba kang jadi bandi lang. Wa mga banda ro sa pit na kasi. Mele ya sa pit to kipalda. Di ba ni siya sito lang. Titeno ar kita daw, kani kani garay kibang ilishim, but yan up shisni RC yakay ka respond na kanang Chief Minister, bagandon na mawawang bangida pa bani kundu wang na kanang ngala persang banne ka bala ando himi no ki. Tengok apa hukum ini kan dia Joshua. Lada pi puram ni, lada ni puram ni piru puram ni. Wat kan ni kena surat. Barang ba soal kita kon surat resip. Mari ni lo lagi tu pada. Te nisgo banai ngu ibu ibu agi ni kemarin. Apa like nak jimpunuit bahkan ni kipat ba ngelaban poi. Temene ngelaban poi ya ki minister ke berantai balak pemanggilan bang. Andai kum kena ngelam ke berantai jingklik ngela sangat nak ni. Tengi kuat bapin penslow syaka sorkar ba khamtam shu Chief Minister paslo ba ban burom lem ye ka jinge jingki pat khasi kibaran hakri lok khasi ke jinge te nirma la chu ban shu sha leben nirma ila chu nang ni shikmat tenga sno ba ka ekran ye kran kini jinge hi ba ki pat ba ki kando te laweng menta ka sni ba nang pendek nang ni shikmat tenga trai ka lok ba de yang ngiru kum ginong lam bangimla pa du ban om ban shu sha na yeng ka pamon mo kami ke yang kabam itran de kedai bendolong kisnong kita jing nang nismat kin penat namar nyalam hikai pi nang nismat kuno ko pinsna igi yang kesem ndai su ban sule turmur kapa kwa ka tolong mangalawat kidan ki marjan junga ibesna yang tanglai piliwat lai mala tamani alwai kata kam nong kapama tenaga pilahun ni ga jipumna tum kada jong ka jing pring nyera igi tigi jing pi paro